We're at Anastasia Beach. About to hit it from here to the lighthouse. I don't think it's that far. I didn't realize where I was.
Do you know if we need our ticket to come back in?
Doing a ride all the way to the lighthouse from Anastasia State Park in St. Augustine. It's not a long ride, right?
No.
Yeah.
I think we go down that road.
I think we've been by here before.
I think so too. Oh, Lighthouse Park is straight ahead. Doing some dirt riding. Yeah, let's just hit I'm hitting all the insides of this shit. Gravel ride, baby.
There's like a little elementary school. That little marina's up here, remember?
Oh yeah.
There.
Lighthouse Park Yacht Club. Ooh. Nice. It doesn't. We'll have to turn around here. Still neat. Very cool, very cool, very cool.
The sick brown.
One on your rough. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, this is nice. Okay. This is cool. Woo! Big skinny thoughts. Hey, come on, let's go this way. Smells so good. Leave. We can kind of get lost over here. This is fun.
It was like the old record shop or whatever.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
it looks like,
The downtown, yeah.
you know, the
Oh, by Flagler. This is cool.
Give you a bit of a cheese rest of some of the things that you find inside the arena.
Oh, this is where all the kids were lounging out that last time we were over here.
they'll bring like dogs and stuff there and just find it.
That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Whoa, that's so neat. Just, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Yeah, it is. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. Oh yeah, nice. We could even chill here. That's what I'm thinking.
So we made it down to St. Augustine. We're stopping real quick, and then we're gonna go ride back over the bridge and chill over at the beach for a while. Not bad, not a hard ride, probably like 11 miles total. We'll drop the Strava link in this video for you guys to ride it too. But yeah, man, pretty fun.
All right, what do you say we go to the beach now? Oh my gosh, you are fucking so, yeah, so white and blown out, it's crazy. It's so crazy looking. Whoa. Nice, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, literally and figuratively. Woo! That was sketch. I didn't think you were gonna dive in front of the car like that. Yeah, just go through there. Oh, that's neat. Wow. You ever seen the most poisonous snake in the world? Me neither. Here it is. That's ballsy, dude. Oh, hell yeah, dude. This is sick. Look at this. Fun little gravel ride on the outside of this bad boy.
You can look up there though.
Yeah,
Oh, my.
part of the adventure. That's so cool. Take a picture? That's cool. Thank you. Wow. Whoa.
We can see everybody's stuff.
Yeah.
Definitely walking across. I'm not gonna better run about this again.
Are you too scared?
Yeah, I almost fell last time.
Nice. There we go.
That's what you're looking for me.